Okay. Let that be twice. Second. But do not catch y'all. You are a terrorist. Okay. Then. Yep. Alright. Turn around. Close your eyes. Alright. There are 2 detectives, 2 civilians. Look it up.
I'm not the terrorist. I'm not the terrorist or anything, but if I was, it would be pretty funny.
Okay.
That would be funny.
So, who is the detective? Raise your hand. Alright.
Well, now I have a target on my back. Don't worry, Luke, I'll protect you. I mean, you act like you're doing the 20s like this. Wait a minute.
If you're hit once, you're a civilian. Twice, detective.
See, this is the dumb part. I don't know who to... I can ask him, are you the killer? No. No? Okay. Are you the killer? No.
No.
Okay. Like, what am I supposed to do here? I want to go
Ask the questions that only the terrorists would know.
Are you the terrorist?
No.
So it'll sit backwards.
What?
Not the fucking Pavlov.
Oh my god.
You don't have your barrels off.
Yeah, here you go.
And I don't want to.
You're not the terrorist, that's for sure.
Huh? This game's stuck. What? Do it. Figure it out.
Squeeze, you won't.
Hey, Jeannie, you want to go get candy?
Huh?
You want to go get candy?
Yeah, sure, just alright.
We never saw him again.
Was that me? Who'd she hit? I heard an impact.
Who'd you hit?
You're dead. Detective!
Huh? Yeah.
You're lame. Oh, wait, Eric.
No. Why would you walk away? You wanted to know who the killer was.
Terrorist, I was just to walk around and roam.
No, if you wanted to...
But he knows the terrorist. You wouldn't walk away.
One terrorist. Go to y'all's bomb.
Can the civilians shoot people?
Yes.
Okay.
If the civilians kill both detectives, then the game's over. Yes.
Sweet.
If the civilians kill both detectives, then the game is over.
Wait, if the civilians kill the detectives?
You can, but no, we're just meant to find the terrorists.
Let's just kill everybody.
No, don't wanna.
That's the only way we can win. Just kill everyone.
I mean, we could.
Hello, what are you?
Indeed.
It is a very fine day. Would you like to go together?
Sure.
Let's go.
We shall.
Whoops.
Just wipe out everyone. Just kill everyone.
Guys, where are you? I just want to get candy. Oh, someone shot at someone.
Woo!
Did they kill each other for us?
They trusted
Not for us. He didn't tell me what he was, by the way.
I was a civilian.
CT? Okay.
Yeah.
Wait, civilian?
Yeah.
Who
Who are
is
you?
the CT?
We didn't even try to blend in. You just started firing. We're like, oh.
Firing, we're like, oh. Yeah, everyone
Okay, that first shot was accidental. I'm not gonna lie. we went to skip and then I shot by accident.
Oh, we just heard those. Me and Luke was locked and we're
Like, wait a minute. We're about to
not
die.
killing each other for us.
I think I got a splinter. Oh well. Unfortunate.
What do you want to do now? Oh, candy shop. Go to candy shop.
Alright.
Go hide in candy shop. You three, do my top. Okay? Tell me when you're ready, alright?
Okay.
I'm a little scared. So what's the plan?
Plan is I open fire.
I like that plan.
Oh, you hold nothing for it.
Okay. Ready?
Ready?
Actually, no, come right. Come right. Because they're just gonna load BBs over here left. I can, like, precision. Yeah!
Got one over here. I got shot in the fucking knee, bro.
I got two people there, so I had to get behind cover.
Alright, do you guys want to do like a hostage rescue situation?
Yeah. I volunteer as tribute.
I volunteer as tribute. I volunteer as tribute.
Ooh, I was going to do it.
Oh, okay, you do it.
I'll take the rifle then.
Step fire.
We can't do that. Flank.
One in here.
Got him first.
I'll follow.
Wait. Rock, paper, scissors.
Let me help, please. You are small. How? How?
Low ground one.
Yeah, I was about to say that.
You can hop out of the Honda? Oh no, I took it out.
How many rounds is it called?
Another band on.
Oh wait,
Is that big enough? That's a t-shirt. Okay, hold on. Yeah!
No one's there, no one's there.
That was unfortunate. Don't worry, I eventually.
You dirty bastard. Now. It's leaking. Right now. Young man. Look at your leg. You can't go out in public like that. You can't go out in public like that. Young man. What's going on over there? Don't worry about it. You small bastard.
Little lady.
That's my bad.
Oh, really? Yeah. I think you got my butt. That's what I'm saying.
Little boy. Got him. Dang, right at the end. Right at the end.
I'm going with you.
My bad. We're laying all of us on the side. What are y'all doing? What are y'all doing out here? Crazy fast. What, are you just gonna make it?
Well, 2 of our guns aren't working. I can't figure out why my pistol's not working. And then...
Oh yeah, I don't have my pistol.
Bro, you can see why... Bro, you can see why we turned to melee.
I mean, it's not completely full, but it'll have to do, I guess. It's still running. Yeah, no. What are y'all doing?
You don't have a gun?
Yeah, so if I get stuff working, we all decide to start meleeing.
Oh. This one. No one has a gun.
No one has a gun?
No, they're all broke.
You guys just have paperwork?
I was mine. I don't know where. Not all of them. All of them.
That guy's good work.
Why did you?
Oh.
Here's one.
This is gonna be a fun match. It's a gas tank.
Yeah, I forgot to load gas.
I have another battery for that. I mean, I forgot to get the jeans. I forgot to load that.
That's disappointing.
I say we just start packing up.
Yeah.
Look, Kamachi, we've been betrayed by our team. Specifically AJ. AJ lost her rifle, he ate my quesadilla, and me and you were tired of the way we were being treated. Now we've been tossed aside, being ready to get eliminated by Team Panda. But they don't know who we got. They go, fuck! But they don't know who we got with us. Freddy Fazbear.